Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the first three characters from a cell in Excel. Now let's get started.
So first let's open our document here. I've got a sample table and let's say we want to remove the first three characters from this flight number column. Now let's see the first method. Go ahead and select an empty cell next to your data. Now type equals right and open parentheses. What this function does is return characters from the right side of the text. Next, select your flight number cell and type a comma. Now here's the important part. Since each cell has a different length, we can't just type a fixed number, so instead we'll calculate the length dynamically. To do this, type LEN and open parentheses. Then select the same cell again and close the parentheses. This gives us the total length of the text, but we don't want all the characters. We want to remove the first three, so add a minus sign and type 3. Now close the parentheses and press enter. And there it is, the first three characters are gone. To apply this to the whole column, just select the result, move your cursor to the bottom right corner, and when you see the small plus icon, double click it, and now you are done. Now let's see the second method. Select a new cell and type equals MID and open parentheses. This function extracts text starting from a specific position. Select your cell, then type a comma. Now type 4 because we want to start from the fourth character, effectively skipping the first three and add another comma. Now again we'll use the len function. Type len, select the cell, close the bracket, then subtract 3. Now close the final bracket and press enter. And just like that, same result, the first three characters are removed. Again double click the fill handle to apply it to the rest of the column. That's how you remove the first three characters from a cell in Excel using two easy methods. And the best part, you can adjust that number to remove any number of characters you want.